Hey everybody, it's Brian. Hey, so I recently got the HDZERO Crux35 and I've flown it once. I flew it yesterday for its maiden flight. If you maybe check my video out, you would know that. But I have one issue with it that I solved with my 3D printer. Well, let me explain to you what's going on. All right, so I love the HDZERO Crux35. I flew it once yesterday, like I mentioned. My one problem with it is that I'm using these LiPo 750 milliamp Ovonic batteries, and there's a buckle for the battery strap. Let me turn it over here so you can see. There's a buckle on the bottom, meaning the bottom of the quad with the battery is not flat. What that means is that when I set the quad down on somewhere flat and let it go, it falls over instantly, right? So that's an issue, because if it's like this, that means I have to hand launch it or prop it up with something to get it to work. I certainly can't start the props like this right now. They're going to strike the ground and damage my props. So I was thinking about it, and these little grooves in the bricks here are just like some of the grooves in the manhole cover that I usually sit by out on my normal practice field. If I put it in one of the grooves, it stays up straight, right? So what I did is I went into TinkerCAD and I built a drone dock for it to take off from. Check it out. And this was my first prototype that I made. It's a little bit wider than the battery. It's a little bit longer than the battery, and it has a cutout in the back for the wires to go up. So if I put down my dock and I put the drone in here, it's strong enough to hold it up. Now, I made the opening just wider than the battery so that when it takes off, there's nothing for it to stick to. So what I did is I went again into TinkerCAD, and then I put it into Bambu Studio, and I went in there and I changed the colors, and I changed the, I put a title on the side of it. So let me show you how I did that on the computer. All right, so what I did is I went into tinkercad.com and I tinkered a new object, and I came up with this. Just a wide stable base, so it doesn't slide around too much. The opening is slightly wider than the 750 milliamp Ovonic battery, and it's slightly longer, and it's got a little cutout in the back for the battery wires to come out of. So again, I took this and I made it, I exported it and put it into Bambu Studio, or I changed the color to a filament that I actually have, and then I added HDZERO Crux35 to the side. Let's see if I can move this for you. Oops. There we go. So HDZERO Crux35 to the side. And then when you slice it, it embeds, about 2 hours, it embeds the words in white on the side. So it kind of matches the HDZERO red and white theme. So yeah. Then I sent it off to my printer. Let's check out the print time lapse. So it's red, and I actually put the HDZERO Crux35 on there, so it sort of matches the color scheme of the HDZERO gear, which is always red. And again, it just sits in here. Again, even if it's a little bit loose, it's totally fine because it's not going to fall over. So yeah, I love it. Let's go. I haven't flown out of it yet. Let's take this over to the park and we'll give it a test flight and see how it goes. Let's go fly. So let's go over to the park and we'll try to take off with the Crux35 out of the launching dock, and we'll see how it goes. All right. All right, I got the goggles on. I can't do both. I wish I could. I wish that I could stare at it while I take off, but I gotta have the goggles on, so yeah, all right. Let's see, we're all ready to go. It's in the dock. Goggles look good. VTX is on, DVR is armed. Let's arm the motors in 3, 2, 1, arm. And let's take off. Very cool. All right, let's go back and take a look at that takeoff. Well, I'm gonna go back and take a look at that takeoff, and we'll try it 2 or 3 more times to make sure that it works. I didn't hear any plastic falling. I didn't hear anything crazy. So I may have an invention that works for me. Boy, it's windy out here today. All right, and disarm. All right, cool. Let's take another look. All right, well, it's pretty windy. Went back and looked at it. That was awesome. It's perfect. It took off out of there perfect. So let's do it a couple of times. Let's do it maybe 2 more times, and then we'll fly around a little bit. And then I got some video editing to do, so cool. You ready? Let's go fly. DVR is on, VTX is working, battery power is good. And 3, 2, 1, arm. And we'll take off. And disarm. Right on. Okay, let's do one more takeoff, and then we'll fly around for a little bit, and that'll be it for today. All right, VTX is on. Battery voltage looks good. And let's go ahead and arm. 3, 2, 1, arm. I'm gonna try to go forward a little bit sooner this time. Ready? Let's fly. No problem at all. I love it when something works like that. Awesome. Hello. I'll stay plenty away from him. Cool, man. Ooh, it's really windy out here today. And this big guy is handling the wind just fine. Let's go up, up. All right. Man, I can't wait to get better at doing tricks. Man, it's really windy. I hope you can hear it in the microphone. It's also like 90 degrees out here, so we're gonna get some summer thunder and lightning, I think. Nice. Oh no, now I hear thunder. Maybe I better hurry this up. We're about to get a nice summer thunderstorm. It's been about almost 100 degrees today here in Oregon City. So that's what, almost 38 degrees Celsius. And yeah, it's been really hot. Now all of a sudden this wind's blowing in and the thunder and lightning are blowing in. It's gonna be a summer storm. All right. Nice. Man, it's just performing great, and I'm just really happy with the performance of that launch dock. It seems like such a simple idea. I don't know if somebody else has already solved this problem or what they do to solve it, but I hope this helps somebody. Before I post this video, I think I'm going to post the Makeup to Maker World, and that way I can put a link in the description. So awesome, let's go back and land. All right. And disarm. Nice. All right, so I did my flight to prove out the dock. So now I'm just gonna fly around on one little battery. I don't know if I'll use this footage or not, but I'm gonna fly around for a few minutes. Again, it's really windy out here. So here we go. Let's see, DVR is on, battery looks good. Let's arm in 3, 2, 1, arm. All right, let's take off. Let's go around the track a little bit. I really should get going inside. It's there we go. Boy, I don't know if you can hear that thunder or not, but it is getting loud. Okay. All right. Do some tricks at altitude here. Go. That slow roll here. God, the power of these bigger 3.5-inch props is awesome. That's just the wind blowing me. I love it. All right. I don't know if you can hear the thunder or not. I don't think maybe you can, but it is super duper thundery out here. So as much as I want to stay and keep flying, I don't want to get blasted by lightning either. So let's bring it in and land it and head home. All right, and disarm. Okay, let's pack it up.